In front of me is Nubia Neo3, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings and scroll to click on Apps section available here. Now tap on Default Apps and select one of those sections you wanna manage. For example, if you want to change your browser, go into Play Store, download a new one, and wait for it to be ready. When it's already on your device, you will see it listed in Browser App section. So let's wait a second. Go back to Settings, tap on Browser App and select Firefox to apply it. So when I do that and go back, I can see that my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!